Hello everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATVMC, giving you a closer look at the folding shift lever replacement tip from Tusk. Alright, so if you're looking for an aftermarket shift lever, hands down one of the best values that is out there is the folding shift lever coming from Tusk. These are made from 6061 aluminum, then heat treated, so it makes them super lightweight, super strong. As you can see, a lot of cool colorways to choose from, so it gives a cool look to your bike. And the folding tip on these is anodized, and you can see it has a knurled design on there, so just to give a little bit added traction to the boot. Now what's great about these also is that the tip is replaceable. So over time, these will start to wear out, or if you did damage yours in a crash or tip over, very easy to replace. Now, as far as the replacement tips go, we offer them in 4 different colors. We have blue, orange, black, and red. These are all going to work for the Tusk shift lever, but also they will work for some KTM and Husqvarna OEM shift levers. To know if it will work for your bike, enter the make, the model, and the year, and that will tell you if it will work for your OEM shift lever. But once you picked up your replacement tip, very easy to install. So when these come with the shift lever, you'll notice that the pin holding it on is riveted. So what you're going to need to do is either grind this off or drill it out. Shouldn't take you very long. Once you've done that, pop the pin out. Now keep the spring that you have on your shift lever now. Reinstall the spring in your new tip. Once you've done that, you're just going to push the new pin through that comes included, and then use the included circlip to hold that pin in place. Once you've done that, voila, you have a brand new replacement tip on your shift lever, and you're ready to go back out riding. And that is it. That is the folding shift lever replacement tip coming from Tusk. If you guys have any questions about these, leave your comments or questions below. We'll get those answered. To pick yours up, it is very simple. Just click on the link at the end of this video. Remember, orders over $75 ship free. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like this product spotlight, and that will keep you up to date and in the loop on the latest gear guides, product reviews, and how-to videos that we're constantly filming. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.